look at others' social media and wonder how the heck can they create and post so much content? You sure wish you could crank out more valuable content for your Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, but it's just so hard. Maybe you're too overwhelmed. Or maybe you're feeling stuck, looking at a blank screen, twiddling your thumbs, wondering what to post and if anyone would even care. What if there was a solution where you could have pre-made templates to use that are fully editable, and they come with examples to get your creative juices flowing. Plus, you can use them as many times as you want with different ideas. These templates are compatible in Canva and even the free version. So simple to use and a huge time saver. Just change the colors and fonts to your brand and switch up the wording for your business if you'd like. They come with instructions and a free Facebook support group. But you probably won't even need the instructions since they are so easy to use. I used to create my own content and I absolutely love them. If I feel like I'm in a rut, I just look at the examples and they give me great ideas. No more sitting at my desk staring at my screen. If you're ready to stop the content struggle and shave off hours of your content creation while converting more people into your offers, you'll love the Viral Template Collection. Click the link below this video to get yours today.